A lovely morning to all of you. Welcome our maths online class. I hope you all are well and safe at your home. Today we are going to learn something new belongs to our studies. In this video we will be learning the definition of fraction and will be doing interesting activity about identifying the fractions by folding papers and writing a fraction. Before we going to the activity, first let's get what is fraction. We have already completed this chapter before our half-yearly examination. Children, you have heard about half-liter milk, quarter teaspoon salt, half plate chow mein, quarter plate rice. So, half and quarter are nothing but fraction. To make it more clear, let's take a biscuit. बिस्किट देख के मुंह में पानी आ गया ना? Okay. To make it more clear, let's take a biscuit and this is the biscuit. This is one whole, sorry, not half. This is one whole of a biscuit. Suppose you break it into two parts. Here it is and this one. Okay. This is the whole biscuit and you break it in two parts. Here I have two equal parts of the same size. Suppose I take one part, this is of mine, and the other part, that means this part, I give this part to my brother. So the part which I have is this part I have. So the part which I have is nothing but what? Half of the biscuit. I think आपको अब clear होगा. The part which I have now, this is one whole of the biscuit. I break it into two pieces, this and this. This is one half. Okay, this is one half, and this is at the other half of the whole. Okay, so the part which I have is nothing but half of the biscuit. Now, how can I write this using numbers? I can write it as 1. That is 1 here. That is the number of part which I have, and 2 here. These are the total number of parts. Okay. This is read as 1/2. इसे हम कैसे पढ़ते हैं? We can read this as 1/2. Here 1, which is 1 on the top. Here 1 is on the top, called the numerator, and the number below is called the denominator, and the line in between, it is called fraction bar or by. Okay, so this is read as 1/2. Clear? Now let's move on to the activity. For this we need a piece of paper, sketch pen, one scale, colorful pencil or crayon, what you have. Okay, first we will cut the papers into strips. Okay, we will cut the papers into strips of equal size. Then let's take the first strip and color it. This represents the one hole. हमने एक स्ट्रिप को ले लिया है, बराबर बराबर स्ट्रिप्स को काटी हैं और वन स्ट्रिप को लिया हमने और उसे फुली कलर कर दिया लाइक दिस. ओके, पूरे स्ट्रिप को हमने कलर कर दिया तो वो पूरा होल को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा. दिस रिप्रेजेंट्स द वन होल. नाउ let's take another strip of paper, fold it in the center. बीच से आप उसे मोड़ोगे वन होल को. आपने देखिए यहाँ बीच से इसे मोड़ दिया है. ठीक है, and we get the two equal parts. ओके, जब इसे आप फोल्ड करे हो, इसे आप जब खोलोगे तो आपको टू इक्वल पार्ट्स मिलेंगे. फिर ऐसे ही आप इसे 3 इक्वल पार्ट्स में फोल्ड करोगे तो 3 इक्वल पार्ट्स मिलेंगे, 4 में इक्वली, देन 6 में, देन 8 में. ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स शेड one part. What fraction does the shaded part represent? Let's write it. Number of equal parts is 2. Here it is written. And the number of shaded part is 1. Okay, as we did with the biscuit. So 1/2 or half is the fraction which is selected here. So how many halves make up a whole? Did you say yes? Yes. Did you say 2? Yes, that's right. Now moving on, let's take the next strip. This is a bit tricky, so do it carefully. Fold it like this. Here, and try to make sure that all the parts are equal. थोड़ा सा टफ है 3 पार्ट्स में इक्वली कट करने को, बट कोशिश करोगे तो you're able to do. Now we have 3 parts like this. Here you can see 3 parts. We are going to shade one part. हम एक पार्ट को कलर करेंगे. So what the fraction does this shaded part represent? As a convention, we always write the denominator first, which is the total number of equal part, and here it is 3. Okay, and the number of shaded part is 1, so this fraction is 1/3. Okay, or the 1/3. So how many 1/3s make up one whole? Did you say 3? Absolutely correct. Now let's take the next strip. We are going to fold this into 4 equal parts and shade one part like this. What fraction does this shaded part represent? Let's write down. Total number of equal part is 4. And the number of shaded part is 1. This is 1/4. So how many fourths make up a whole? Of course, 4/4 make up a whole. Now let's take next strip. Here we are going to fold it in 6 equal parts. For this, first we will fold it into 3 equal parts, then fold it into the center to get 6 parts. क्या करेंगे? पहले 3 पार्ट में इसे हम फोल्ड करेंगे और उसके बाद बीच से एक बार और फोल्ड कर देंगे तो 6 इक्वल पार्ट्स हो जाएंगे. नाउ लेट्स शेड वन पार्ट. हाउ? जैसे अभी ये किया था अपने ऊपर, 6 में से आप 1 को शेड करोगे. देन व्हाट इज द फ्रैक्शन अगेन एसोसिएटेड विद दिस शेडेड पार्ट? हियर इट इज already written. The number of shaded part is 1 and total number of equal part is 6. So we write this like this. Okay. So this is 1 by 6 or 1 6. Now let's move on to the next one. Now we are going to divide the paper into 8 equal parts. How many parts? We are going to divide the paper into 8 equal parts. So first we make 4. पहले हम 4 पार्ट में इसे हम डिवाइड करेंगे, फोल्ड करेंगे. It will once then fold it in the center now and we are going to shade 1 part. पहले 4 पार्ट पे हम इसे फोल्ड करेंगे, फिर बीच से हम और एक बार कर देंगे. फिर वी गॉट द 8 इक्वल पार्ट्स. एंड जैसा हमने ऊपर किया था, हम 1 पार्ट को शेड करेंगे. ओके, वी हैव टू शेड 1 आउट ऑफ 8. सो व्हाट फ्रैक्शन डज द शेडेड पार्ट रिप्रेजेंट? लेट्स राइट डाउन हियर 8 parts and number of shaded part is 1. So this is 1 by 8 or 1/8. So for the recap, a fraction is a part of a whole and can be represented as numerator by then denominator by the small line called fraction bar. I hope you enjoyed the activity. Thank you for watching and wait for new activity. Till then, goodbye students and have a blissful day.